is on finding the zeros of a function. So when you're finding the zeros, that's essentially just finding your x-intercepts. So the method is you want to set your function equal to 0 and solve for x. So I have two different examples here. Our first example is a quadratic equation. To find the 0, we are setting the equation equal to 0. From here, we have to solve for x. There are two methods of solving a quadratic equation. We can either factor or use a quadratic formula. This one is factorable. This can factor as x plus 5, x minus 2. From here, we need to set each of these factors equal to 0, and this is using our zero product property. And now we simply solve for x. So we subtract 5, and we can add 2. So our first problem has two answers. Our second one, we have a square root. We're setting, again, the equation itself equal to 0. To get rid of a square root, we need to square both sides. So when we square the square root, everything cancels, and 0 squared is still 0. So we're left with 0 is equal to 2x plus 1. We can subtract 1, and then divide by 2. So here we only have one answer. So again, when you're finding the zeros of a function, you're setting the equation equal to 0 and solving.